Hi, this is Andrew Phillips. I'm the founder and editor-in-chief of EM Coach, and I'm happy to share with you how the resources for EM Coach can help you with your intern boot camp as your new residents start. One of our best features, I think, to help you out is the mini mock exam from earlier in the year that some of your residents may have already seen, but of course is new to the interns. So in their home, your resident's home, they will see questions, textbook, and lectures here. They can click on questions. And you'll see on the right-hand side here is the mini mock exam. Now, this is going to have a distribution exactly the same as you'll see on the ITE. It's a mini version with 100 questions instead of the full set of questions that you would see in the ITE. The 2 hours and 5 minutes is based on the total seconds per question that they would see in the ITE. Now, you can't assign this. You have to just ask them to take that test, but this is something good that they can do on their own time in between the various sessions that you otherwise have in your boot camp, so you can get an instant idea of how they're doing and identify your remedial learners in the first week of them joining your residency, so you can get started on that. Another important part of what we can do is we've coordinated with Foundations of Emergency Medicine, and in particular, their frameworks, I think, are helpful for the boot camps as they go through those really critical differential diagnoses based on chief complaint. I mean, right now you're looking for sick or not sick, right? And breaking down those really emergent conditions for people to be thinking of. And so here we can select our PGY1s. You can do whatever start and stop time you like. Click on Foundations, and then you select just the frameworks. I remember they're the different units of F1 and F2, but these are the frameworks that go through the different chief complaints and walk through how to assess through those differentials. When you select the unit, we'll just, out of jaundice, we'll pick here. EM Coach provides a set of questions, textbook, and lectures to build on those frameworks that you may already be using with Foundations of Emergency Medicine. So you can not only do additional teaching on that, but also quiz them, and they're all designed to be building on each other. Once you assign that, this is another important feature which we offer during the boot camp, is that you can do all of this remotely because we keep track of all the participation. So you can see by downloading stats right here, and of course no one's taken it yet because we just did it, but if you download this, you can then see exactly how long everybody spent on the assignment to ensure that everybody is participating in your assignment. One other thing I want to point out is that if you go back over here to assignments, just like for that frameworks component, this is not just a question bank. And although we have well over 1,500 questions at this point, we also have the ability to assign the textbook and the lectures that accompany these major topics. And so more than just quizzing your interns right off the bat, we think it's important to be assigning them readings and lectures to be watching in order to build on that foundation. So whether you're picking the custom build or using the coach route or starting foundations in that very first week, we're able to deliver all three of those important components, and we think that is essential during your boot camp as well. So this is Andrew Phillips for EM Coach. I hope you enjoyed that and you got something out of it. If you have ideas, please let us know. support@emcoach.org, or my email address, aphillips, Phillips, @emcoach.org. We want to hear from you. Give us ideas. Let us help make this easier for you so you can focus on helping your residents. Thank you.